Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Glow Kit. These are the shades that it comes in. Today I am wearing Stardust, which is actually one of my very favorite highlighters. I really love the way it looks on my skin. Just is a beautiful gleaming. I think there's probably a little bit of gumdrop mixed in as well because this one sort of like falls out of the pan and drifts down, but they look really nice together, so I'm totally fine with that. And now on to the video. So for today's video, we're going to be looking at my Sephora Play box. So this is the April 2018 box. First, we're going to talk about what came in the March 2018 box and whether I've used it and whether I liked it or not, and then we'll open up the new bag. As a side note, I did attend IMATS New York this weekend and I did pick up some stuff, so I'm going to be doing a video in the next couple days about what I picked up, and then I will do tutorials on everything that is worth trying out because I did pick up all of the Kat Von D new brow products. Not every single shade obviously, but I picked up one of each in a color that I found amusing, and among some other stuff that I picked up as well that, booths I didn't have an opportunity to purchase before, like Sugar Pill, or booths that were having such a good deal that I picked up some stuff that I don't necessarily need it right now, but I will in the future, and it's never going to be this cheap again. Anyway, let's get going back onto the Sephora Play video. So for those of you who don't know, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box that's $10 a month. You basically set it up online through the Sephora account, and then it's going to get mailed to your house. So you're going to get 6 samples in it. Generally one of them is a perfume, though not always. And it's loosely based on your profile, though I'm not exactly sure how. I wish that I could customize it in a more of a interesting way, because I know some other beauty subscription boxes allow you to do that, but Sephora doesn't really. However, I'm generally not disappointed, even though I do occasionally get stuff I've already had before, and last month I know I got some stuff that I previously got in a different play box, so that was annoying, but for the most part I haven't really been disappointed, because even if they put like some old standards in there, usually I like those and I'll use them up anyway. So first up, we're going to talk about what I got in last month's box. So the first thing, which I don't have the packaging for anymore, I received an Amika Nourishing mask, so for my hair. I actually used that right away, and it was really nice. It was very soft on my hair smelled nice, and it really took out a lot of the tangling problems I've been having, because my hair's been really mad about changing back to New York City water. My kitty's also probably going to join us for this video as well. I really did enjoy that hair stuff. I don't know that I would purchase a full size, and it actually isn't listed as a full size anymore on the Sephora website. I can buy a mini size for like $12, so I think for 2 ounces. I liked it. I'm not sure I liked it better than the one from Way, or frankly the one from Briogeo I also really liked. That one is a little bit more expensive, but you know, I think I preferred that one and the way that one smelled. Not that this one was bad. So if I was going to purchase one, I would want a bigger size of it. I don't want a little itty bitty one that I'm going to run out of pretty quickly. Next up, I also got this Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. I have used this a bit. I don't really notice it being illuminating. It just seems to be hydrating. It seems pretty decent. I have been pleasantly surprised with previous Bobbi Brown moisturizers, so like I like it fine, and I will finish up using the little sample, but I'm not sure I would buy a full size of it unless I didn't have any other eye products or, you know, moisture products to try out. So it's fine, but nothing stellar. I also got an extra sample of the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm from IGK. I already have one of these that I got in a previous box. I like it just fine. It smells nice. It does a pretty good job. I will use this one up, but I wouldn't buy a full size of this. It's just not for me. It's nice in the little size. I usually take it traveling with me, but otherwise it's not something I require having. I also got this Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. I did use this once so far. It smells okay. I think it took off my makeup fine. I don't think I like it necessarily better than any of the other ones I already have, so I'm going to take it with me. I will use it if I'm traveling, that kind of thing, but so far, like, it's fine. Nothing super transcendent. I wasn't like, oh my god, I have to buy a full size. Like, that's not the case, but it seems okay. I also got a sample of the Stila Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I admit that I didn't even use this month. I have too many other liquid liners that are open, so I will get around to it. That just didn't happen. And last but not least, we have from Supergoop the Defense Rust Setting Mist with Rosemary. I tried this one day. I really can't tell if it does anything. It doesn't smell bad. I don't know that it necessarily kept my makeup going any longer, and I didn't get a sunburn, but I don't know if it was sunny enough to get a sunburn anyway. So while I think this is a really cool idea, I don't know if it works yet. So I'm going to keep using it this month and I'll let you know how it goes. And now onto the bag for April 2018. So on the front of it, it says, "Make it snappy." I don't know what that means. I didn't look at any hints this month. I usually do look at least a little bit. Everything feels very large. A lot of cardboard in here, so we'll see how this goes. I'm guessing this is a moisturizer, but the first thing is, it's from Fresh. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. This is a Seaweed Radiance Facial. I'm getting 0.5 fluid ounces. So that's pretty big considering most of these masks are about an ounce, I would say. So this looks like a half size. A 5-minute facial designed to combat signs of tired and overstressed skin, revealing incredibly smooth and radiant results after just one use. It can be used 2 to 3 times a week. Basically, to put this on my face, let it sit for 5 minutes, then wash it off. Alright, I don't know that I've tried this particular mask. I've tried the rose mask, which I thought was okay, but I thought the smell was a little overpowering, so I didn't end up keeping it. I ended up decluttering an extra sample that I had to a friend just because it was just a little much. So I haven't tried this one. I will give this one a go. This theme's pretty cool. Next up, this is a lipstick maybe? I don't know. No, this is from Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Perfector. This is a blurring skin tint with sunscreen. So this has broad spectrum SPF 25. So this is for high definition television sets. I'm intrigued by this. This is in the shade 08. I don't know what that means necessarily. I don't know if that's my color, but let's put a little on. I understand I should be putting this on my face, not the back of my hand, but that's what we're going to do so you can see what it looks like on camera. So this is the color of it. I think it might be a little dark. It seems okay with my actual, it's a little dark on my tanned hand, and my face is definitely lighter than that. So, yeah, let's put a little swatch on my face just for fun. This could be terrible, guys. Yeah, this stuff is not my shade. It's too dark. So I will be decluttering this. I'm not going to keep this one around. I don't get tanner than this, and this is if I had a really intense tan that I will never have. So I appreciate the idea here. I don't know how they picked the shades, but this is obviously a much deeper medium shade, and for me that's just not going to work. So this automatically is not going to get tested further. It's not the right color for me. I bet it's a really cool product. I mean, I do love a good sunscreen, and I love a good blurring thing, but yeah, this is not my shade, so we're going to let this one go. Oh, so if this is from Philosophy, this is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Ultralight moisturizer with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. This in 3 days. Makeup optional skin. Skin looks glowing, dewy, and smooth with less visible pores. I've used some Philosophy moisturizers in the past. I used to really like Hope in a Jar and Hope in a Jar Eye, but I did not like the reformulation. So this one I haven't actually tried before, so I'm certainly willing to give it a try. So we'll see how this one goes. This has to be perfume. I just sense it. So this is Elizabeth and James Nirvana. This is the white shade. I don't know if I've ever had this one before. It's very citrusy. I don't dislike it. It's very citrusy. I think I will probably keep this one. This one I don't find terribly off-putting immediately. We'll see. I will try this one out. It doesn't smell terrible immediately. Usually with a perfume, I either am like yes or no in the first like 5 seconds, and this I'm like, okay, sure. So I'll try that one out. There's a little tube of something and something with a ton of cardboard. I'm really intrigued. We're gonna go with the tube first. This is Peter Thomas Roth, Skin to Die For, No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. I tried a deluxe sample of this, not a deluxe sample, one of the little like foil packets of this. And I thought it was okay, but you know, it's apparently supposed to work a lot faster if you do it every single day, and I only had enough that was in that particular little foil packet. So I definitely will try this out because there's more in here. This is 1/4 ounce. So I can definitely use this for like a week or two before I'm going to run out of anything. This is supposed to, you know, no filter mattifying primer and complexion perfector. You're supposed to put it over your pores and that sort of thing and really see like amazing results if you use it consistently. So I'm willing to try. My pores are awful right now, so this looks fine. And then last but not least, if there's no makeup in this bag, I'm going to be really disappointed. So let's see what this is. Oh, I got an Urban Decay. This is the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. I'm betting this is the shade SPL. Yep, this is the shade SPL. So that is the one shade that is like appearing as the sample you could get online. And this is the sample I think that's also in the Give Me Some Lip kit that has just come out from Sephora, which I just ordered in the Sephora sale. I'll do a video about that, what I actually picked up in the next couple of days as well. So this looks like a very glittery pink, which is not necessarily the color I would have gone for. However, it does look pretty. And this is laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil, because I had talked about that this is a very minty smelling lip gloss when I swatched it the other day. So I'm not mad about the color that they ended up giving me. They did give me a glitter color, which I thought universally the glittery colors looked more fun. This one's a lot lighter than I would have necessarily picked, but I'm looking forward to trying it out. It's a little disappointing that, you know, they're only pushing the one shade. At least like the Fenty minis, they did a Candy Venom and then they did Griselda. So, you know, you had the options there, whereas anytime this is showing up, it's only in the shade SPL. But I am looking forward to trying it out, and I will definitely let you know how that goes. So that's it for my Sephora Play Box. I mean, overall, I wish there was more makeup in it. There's an awful lot of skincare, and, you know, that's fine and all, but I have a lot of skincare, and I'm not even displeased with, like, what I've been using recently anyway. I only really struck out with that Makeup Forever tinted sunscreen primer because it's just not the right color for me at all. But everything else, I think I will at least be able to give it a go, and hopefully one of them will work out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you got a suggestion for a video, you can put that in the comments down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye!